Hi YouTube, so welcome to another video. I wasn't really sure whether to bother filming this one because it's not really much of a job, but might as well. So I bought some, actually I got given them, I think it's birthday or Christmas present. I've got some red LED strips. There's 4 of them, so I was thinking of doing one in each front footwell. Maybe if I can get one each side of the front seats, or maybe under the rear seats, not quite sure yet. I suppose it depends on how long the cable is, I guess. I was thinking of piggybacking off an existing fuse, like the lights one, so when I turn the lights on, these will come on. But then I have my lights on all the time, apart from when I'm driving to Japfest at 5 o'clock in the morning before anyone says anything. So yeah, I'm just going to plug these into an existing plug I've got, which is my dash cam. That's in the cigarette lighter socket in the armrest, which gives you a USB out the top of that. So I'm just going to plug that into that and just hide all the cables and stuff. And so yeah, it might not be the most involved piece of work I've done, but at least you can see the before and afters, and yeah, something to watch in it for 5 minutes. Alright, so what tools are you going to need? Hopefully this is about it. Got my trusty BMW screwdriver, which has got a flat head. I'm not going to do this one-handed. And then a Phillips on the other side. So yeah, I'm just going to ping the caps off so I can loosen up all this plastic stuff. Not quite sure. I think the front ones are definitely going to go under here somewhere. But the back, I don't know. I don't really want them cables run along the carpet. I'm not taking the carpet up. So whether I can attach them onto here somewhere, don't know. I shall have a little think about it. So I was planning on just using the top of my dash cam plug, but I might as well just use the USB. I might just check that that is only live when the ignition's on, and then it should just disappear down this hole and under all this stuff. Alright, so change of plan. I can't get my USB plug in there. Am I missing something? Can someone chuck a comment down below if there's, is there supposed to be like an extra bit there that's missing? So back to plan A, which is to use this one. Let's have a little look at the lights anyway. There we are, at least we know they work. So yeah, they'll just go on and off with the ignition then. There we are, I've run the cable through somewhere. There it is. So I'll probably put this little box, some kind of, I presume it just steps the voltage down from 12 volts to 5. So I'll probably keep that inside there. Just realised as I pulled this up, it's unplugged my little USB battery indicator thing, so I have to remember to plug that back in. I'm just trying to decide where to put the lights now, because I want them on the same place both sides, so I might see what's available on the driver's side and then match it on the passenger side. So after pinging that clip, and there's one over there out, I managed to push the LEDs up from underneath. You can just see it poking out there. So it came with these adhesion promoters, so I might as well use them, I suppose. So the left hand side is a lot easier. You just ping these 2 clips out, and then you've got loads of space to get the cable behind it. I'm just waiting for that adhesive stuff. I'll leave that 5 minutes. So I've decided on the other 2 on the back of the armrest. Whether that's a good idea or not, I don't know. I can't really decide where to put them. Probably not good if you're sitting in the back, but then you can just turn them off if you're sitting in the back, I guess. But then I don't ever have anyone in the back, so it's not really a problem. We'll see whether it will cause too much light behind me, I don't know. But I don't know. Don't know till you try, do you? Just going to check they all work actually before I put all this back together. Nice. So I've reassembled everything. Looks pretty tidy, no wires anywhere. Get my leg out right. Right, so I just got to wait for the night time to fall so I can do a bit of before and after comparison. You'll obviously be seeing them right now because you're in the future. Hopefully they look good. So yeah, nice little cheap, easy mod to do. The front driver's side was a bit of a pain in the ass trying to get the cables behind the plastic trim. That didn't really want to give me much room right where the footrest is. The rest of it was pretty easy. Yeah, I think I probably did the best thing, putting the two rear ones on the back of the armrest because you need somewhere static. I was going to put them on the underside of the rear seats, but I don't know what it will do to the cable over time, what with the seats going up and down. Then I was going to put them on the underside, the back side of the front seats. Again, they move around, so it'll probably end up knackering the wire over time. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.